Good work is never done. Stay tuned. This episode is called Encore. So because my customer was getting a dishwasher replaced, I explained to him their only best bet is to get the garbage disposal taken care of as well. My reason for saying that was because of all the junk I found inside. Customers was okay with it, so I brought out a new one, and first I had to remove this cap. The best way to do that is with this Phillips screwdriver. So I swapped it out, and I tested it all out with the new dishwasher as well. Everything was good to go. So I asked the customers, was there anything else they needed from me? If not, I'm off to save someone else.
And that's a plumber you can trust.